In this video, you will learn how to create a PDF file from an Excel file. Creating a PDF version of your Excel document may be a good idea when you need to share an Excel document but want to preserve the layout, format, fonts, and images so that the content can't be changed easily. The resulting PDF is read-only, which means it can't be edited. A PDF is also useful if sharing a document with someone who may not have Excel. Many free PDF viewers are available online. Here we have an Excel invoice template I have filled out already. I've already filled out the product description, quantity, unit price, and price. Also down below, the invoice total is available. Let's say that our preference is to send the invoice to the customer as a PDF document. Let's look at how to do this in Excel. The first thing we need to do is click the File tab, which takes us to the Backstage area within Excel. Come down here, click Export, then click Create PDF. This launches the Publish as PDF dialog box. We will now specify a file name. I'll just give it as XYZ invoice 23456. You can see that the save as type is PDF. Also, there are other various options that can be specified. We will just keep the default options for now. Then select Publish. And now, as you can see, a PDF has been published. Let's take a look at this PDF file. As you can see, it looks just like the Excel file that we created it from. The text is the same, the colors, the formatting, the layout. You can scroll below and we can see that it looks just like the Excel file. One thing to note is that this PDF file is read-only, meaning we can't click in to these cells like we could in Excel and edit them. The good thing is that we can now print this PDF file, or we can attach it to an email to send to our customer. In this video, we learned how to create a PDF from an Excel file, which is quite simple to do once your Excel file is ready. I hope this video has given you a basic understanding of how to create PDF files from Excel. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so we can continue to help you learn new things. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning.